about to unbox Fab Fit Fun. Here it is. Let's get right into it, shall we? Open up the box. You got some marketing materials. Get those out, throw them to the side. Okay, wow. The first thing I'm seeing is Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. So, never heard of that before, but the packaging looks pretty cool and it's a full-size bottle. Next, we have made with pure Moroccan oil keratin hair treatment. Looks like some sort of, oh, okay, it says treatment mask. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Next, we have a hydration cream mask. Looks pretty nice. Wait. Oh, I can't open it. Frick.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
I don't know, whatever that is, I'll report back. Next, we have eye mask. I'm guessing it is similar to that stuff that I gave you when you were here, Mags. It's called Black 5 masks. Next, we have body cream. That's a cute packaging, huh? Smells like the beach, kind of. Next, we have a lipstick. Looks like it's red, which isn't usually my cup of tea, but that looks like a vibrator, kind of mini one.
No, 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 no.
That's the color. That's actually not even red. That's nice. Okay, maybe I should do a part 2 coming soon. Stay tuned. Welcome to part 2 of the video. Just had to go get my wine, I realized. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is an eyeshadow palette. These are the colors that looks like it's in there. Oh my god, I'm the word. Look. I just opened that horribly. Okay. Oh. So there's that. Those are some good colors, actually. Maybe I should start wearing eyeshadow. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Next is eye brightener highlighting stick. This will be good for my dark circles that are coming in. Each day I get older, they're coming in hot. This is what it looks like. Okay. I'm sorry, I just did that terribly, but you get the gist. Thrive. It actually looks like there's just one more thing in here, and it is a blanket. Mark and Graham. It's really soft and it's tan colored, and I really like that. Wow. Well, that concludes the box. That's all she wrote. Whoa. It's empty. I think that I'm most excited about, oh, this is actually what I'm most excited about. I just realized because of my severe dandruff that's going on. So, yeah. Let's see what this smells like, actually. Whoa. Whoa. Look at how thick that is. It's standing right up. It smells really good. Okay, I'm most excited about this. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time for the next Fab Fit Fun video. It will come many months from now, so